Alright folks, here I got the iRobot Roomba 535 model. It comes in the box. I'll open up for you here. I got the iRobot quick guide in here with the user manual and some other paperwork. Buying some accessories or something. So I'll open up this up. So I got the 535 model, which comes in a champagne color. I got the virtual wall lighthouse, which controls from the RF transmitter that's on the iRobot Roomba. Comes with the power supply, the docking station, brand new filter. Also comes with the cleaning tool to clean the brushes. So here you go how it looks underneath. I got the brand new side brush here. Pretty good condition brushes still and everything, so it'll last you for a while. The dust bin here, the vacuum bin. So I pretty much clean all my Roombas. It'll be good condition. Try to make it look good. The faceplate does have some scratches on it. I don't know if you can see on the camera very well, but I'm probably gonna get it closer. Just right there, some scratches there. I'll turn it on so you see it works. So, keeps going around. The bumper sensors work just fine. Press the bumper. Press the other way. There again. So you'll see more. There it goes away. So it's gonna hit the door there. I'll come back. Alright, that's it.